You see someone yawn, then you yawn too. What's going on? It's called contagious yawning, and it's less about being tired and more about social connection. Your brain has mirror neurons that imitate what others do. When you see someone yawn, your brain sort of copies it. And the closer you are to someone, like family or friends, the more likely you'll catch their yawn. It's tied to empathy and bonding. Research has even found it in chimps, dogs, wolves, and lions. So it's an animal behavior linked to social groups. Not everyone does it. Only about 40 to 60% of people yawn contagiously. That may reflect differences in empathy or neurological wiring.